Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into adding sound and motion to your web pages using HTML. We'll cover how to use the audio and video elements to make your content more dynamic and engaging. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to add and customize audio and video, plus understand how to make them accessible and browser friendly. Let's jump in. The first element we will look at is the audio element. The audio element is used to embed sound. By default, it won't display any controls, so we add the controls attribute to let users play, pause, or adjust the volume. The source tag inside audio is used to specify the audio file and its format. This way, browsers can choose the best format they support. The controls attribute allows a user to play, pause, or adjust the volume. The autoplay attribute starts the audio automatically when the page loads. Use it carefully as autoplay can be intrusive. The loop attribute repeats the audio automatically when it finishes. The muted attribute starts the audio in a muted state. Next we have the video element, which works in a similar way but for video content. Here's a simple example with controls. Again, we use the source tag to provide the video file and specify its format. You can add multiple source tags for better browser compatibility. The controls attribute adds play, pause, and volume controls. The autoplay attribute automatically plays the video when the page loads. It's recommended to mute videos that autoplay. The loop attribute repeats the video automatically. The muted attribute mutes the video by default, which is often necessary if the video auto plays. The poster attribute accepts an image that's shown before the video plays. Now it's your turn. Save a video in your work folder, add the video tags, and then run the video on the live server. Give it your best shot. Good luck, and we will be back to see how it's done. Alrighty guys, as you can see I've already got my downloaded video saved into the folder. Now let's create the video tags. And then we'll add the SRC. That's linking back to the video in that folder. Then we'll add the height, 300, and the width, 300. And then we'll add the control attribute, controls, and autoplay. Now we're going to save this, and there's the video. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on HTML audio and video elements. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Happy coding!